Step 1. Identify your skills. What are you good at? Perhaps you're a wordsmith with a knack for creating engaging content, or maybe you're a tech wizard who can build websites in your sleep. Once you've identified your skill set, you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 2. Create a strong online presence. Whether it's through a personal website, a professional blog, or a social media platform, make sure people can easily find you online. Showcase your skills, your work, and your personality. Remember, the internet is a vast space and standing out is key. Step 3. Find online platforms that pay for your skills. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer serve as marketplaces for a wide range of skills. Whether you're into graphic design, writing, coding, or even voiceover work, these platforms connect you with clients willing to pay for your services. Step 4. Diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider creating passive income by selling digital products, starting a blog and monetizing it, or even investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies. Step 5. Stay consistent and keep learning. Making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires consistency, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Keep honing your skills, stay updated with industry trends, and always strive for excellence. In this video, we've explored the path to making money online. We started by identifying your skills and creating a strong online presence. We then delved into finding online platforms that pay for your skills and the importance of diversifying your income streams. Lastly, we emphasized the importance of consistency and continuous learning. Remember, the journey to making money online is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires dedication, patience, and a constant desire to improve. But with the right mindset and the willingness to put in the work, the internet can become your goldmine. So go ahead, take these steps, and start your journey to financial freedom today.